Hi guys, just thought I'd do a quick run through of the gearbox on my Unimog U4023. So starting off with just the inside of the truck here, the gear shift is actually this stalk on the side of the steering wheel that looks like a indicator lever. Also part of the gearbox and changing apparatus is this little red lever here. So we pull this and a clutch lever drops out on the other side of the steering column. Used mostly for off-road use when you want to have a little bit more control over what you're doing. So I'll just jump in the truck and turn it on. And it goes through its startup cycle doing its diagnostics. Okay, just turn off that. And I'll turn on the lights so it dims a little bit. So as you can see at the moment it's in neutral, and also on the side of the stalk here. So as you can see from the top, we've got neutral, forward is drive and rear is reverse. We've got an M and an A on there, and also the little symbol down here is the exhaust brake, which corresponds with what's going on the screen there. Dual stage, so we've got two different levels of exhaust brake happening. The M and the A, so these are the take off gear selection parameters, I guess you'd call them. Normally it's an A for automatic, so as soon as I turn the truck on, alright, and put it into D, the computer straight away selects 2, the second gear, because we're on flat level ground with just the regular load on the back. So if I was in manual mode, I could actually then say I want to select, which is pretty easy to do, I want to take off in first gear. So it will then start in first gear. It won't let me do that because I'm on flat ground, but you can also then pick third gear. So that just enables you to do that. I normally keep it automatic. The truck usually knows what it's doing. What will happen with the truck in automatic, if you're on an incline it'll set off in first, if you're on a decline it'll set off in third, and then basically that's it. 8 forward gears, 6 reverse. So in reverse it'll go into reverse 2, and then same thing, you can obviously then push it up and down the gears. If you're in automatic mode and you're in D, driving along, you're in 8th, you want to go down a gear, all you do is just push down on the lever and it will change gear like that. Obviously on this truck as well we've got the lockers here, so center, front and rear lockers, and we also got working gears, which gives us an extra set of gears for low range work. Now that little red lever I was talking about before, so we pull on the red lever and just give the clutch a little bit of a push, and it comes up with the clutch pedals warning is that the clutch pedal is folded down. So what that means then is, so I'll put it into D, and it won't do anything until I put my foot on the clutch. I can then pre-select gears. I can go up to 3. It'll set off in 3 and 4, but nothing will happen until I put my foot on the clutch. So as with the U4000 and 5000, you can actually pre-select the gears and nothing happens until you push the clutch in. Has another facility as well, which I don't use, which is quick change gears. So you can actually be going in a forward direction in D in second gear, and you can then put it into reverse, and then it's supposed to change straight into reverse under a certain speed. Obviously you can't go from 30 and then decide you want to go backwards, but it enables you, so if you're bogged somewhere you can rock backwards and forwards pretty quick with the truck doing the gear changing. Anyway, I hope that answers questions. It may bring up more questions. Feel free to drop me a line, and I'll see if I can answer them. Alright, Thanks for watching.